Welcome beautiful you family to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shirley, and on this channel we learn how to do a very soft and easy makeup look, and I also teach you how to style your natural hair. So if you are again new here, I want to welcome you, and of course I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. So today we are going to be using what? We will be using the JUVIA'S eyeshadow palette. So the name of the palette is the Rebel Army. When I'm done, I'm going to be listing all the products that I use to be able to achieve this look. So I always start off by priming my face, and after I'm done priming my face, I went ahead to start doing my eyebrow. So beautiful you family, for my eyebrows, I went ahead to use the JUVIA'S eye pencil to create the shape that I want. And when I was done, I'm using my concealer to shape out my eyebrows and also to clean it up. After I was done with that, I did apply some of my concealer on my eyelid, and I am applying it all over. After I was done with that, I used my eyeshadow palette just to put like some color there, you know, to make sure that my concealer was set in. Okay, so now guess what? Now is the time. We are about to use this palette, and the palette is only for eyeshadow, and trust me, oh my goodness, after I was done with my makeup look, it came out so good. Because usually when you apply a green eyeshadow color on a dark skin, it really doesn't show, but this JUVIA'S, it did it for me, because that eye, after I was done, it came out so good. So I started off using the darker color all over my eyelid, and after I was done with that, I went ahead to use the green color, and I am applying it above my crease. And all you have to do is keep blending it. Take your time to make sure that it is well blended in. So I am, as you can see, I am taking my time to make sure that it was blended in. After I was done with that, I went ahead on the palette. It has like a green color, and it has shimmer on it, so, or glitter, some type of glitter on it. So I went ahead to start applying it in the inner corner of my eye. And what I did is basically, for beautiful you family, I went ahead and I applied that shimmer green, and what I did is like basically sweeping it. Take your time and make sure that it is well like blended. Your eyeshadow, you always want to make sure that your eyeshadow is well blended in. And after I was done, I applied the darker color on the top part of my crease and also on the outer part of my eye. And now I am applying my foundation on my face. Again, whenever I'm applying my foundation, I don't usually put a lot of foundation. I try to use a little bit, because a little bit, like I always say, goes a long way. And plus that, you will be using your concealer. For my concealer, again, I am using the JUVIA'S concealer under my eye. And when I am done, I will be listing the name of all the products again that I use. Again, beautiful you family, if you are watching me, I am so glad that you are hanging around with me today. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share with a sister, with a beautiful you sister, you know, so that you can help me grow this channel. Once again, I really appreciate all my subscribers. Please keep watching to see how I was able to achieve this look. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Please comment, and let me know that the tutorials that I've been doing, you guys really enjoy watching it and you like it, so that I can continue to be creating new content for you guys. Thank you so much.